Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So the homeowner's complaining about bubbling here. If we look over here, we see water coming across. So I think what's happening is water from the faucet is coming over and sitting here. We see that there's no damage up the wall, so I don't think it's a leak coming from the top. So my simple solution to this problem is putting in a piece of quarter round. So what we'll do now is material and tools.
All right, this is the material and tools list for this job. I have white DAP, clear silicone, white paint, quarter round. For tools, paintbrush, silicone gun, my pouch, so pencil, measuring tape for safety equipment, safety glasses, earplugs, and then a grinder. Guys, this is what I believe I need for material and tools on this job, so let's get started. All right, so first of all, with our quarter round, the quarter round is, it's actually a foam, it's not wood. So I need a piece that is 22 7/8. All right, so there's the piece right there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off with the grinder. Okay, so for this part here, because this is the very edge, what I'm gonna try to do is I'm just gonna try to round this off with the grinder. All right, so you see how this is? You can go really round if you want. I don't think it really matters per se. But this is our piece that I'm gonna use. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and then paint this a couple times, paint the edge and then the bottom and the back here. So we'll come back once this is all ready to go. All right, so this is the piece painted, and then I just round this off a little bit more to make it look better. But this will go into the corner, silicone will be on the bottom here, and then DAP will be on the top to make it a nice transition, and that's gonna keep the base of the wall between the counter and the wall itself from getting wet and bubbling. All right, so we have our piece here. It's gonna go into the corner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a bead of silicone here and then a small bead here. That's gonna help to hold this in place. It's not gonna be nailed in. So push it in, make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, so with that done, it doesn't hurt to put some weight, a book or something on this, but I'm gonna leave this for a little while. And then when I come back, I'm gonna adapt the top so it'll be a nice transition. All right, so this has had some time to dry the silicone at the bottom and at the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a bead of DAP along the top here. Now, this is way too big, but sometimes you just gotta make things work. So I'm going to put the bead and then I'm going to tool it so it looks nice. So it'll be, in my opinion, it'll be a better transition than this. There's a piece of hard DAP inside. So I have to just remove it and start all over again. If the nozzle has been cut too big, like in my case, because this is an old tube, to offset the bead size, you can move the silicone gun faster and that'll give you a smaller bead. But once you've put your bead down, just wipe it and tool it back and forth until you get the size that you want. Okay, so now I'm gonna go the other way.
Alright, so this is all done. The quarter round has been siliconed in. I dapped the top. And then I also capped a little hole on this side here. But guys, this is a simple solution to this problem. You see the little bit of bubbling there. But the quarter round will protect the very bottom of the wall, and as well, it looks better than it did before. Guys, that's your quick tip of the week.